Do you spend a lot of money on your kids' clothes, your clothes, just for the whole family in general? Well, I've got some genius products to show you how to extend the life of those clothes. So stay tuned. Hey guys, Erin here with Wardrobe Hackers, and today I'm going to talk about some really awesome products that are going to help you extend the life of your clothes. We all spend a lot of money on clothes, so we really need to use really great products to help properly care for them and take care of them so we can wear them for years to come. So the first product I'm going to show you is going to be an at-home dry cleaning kit. We spend lots of money on dry cleaning, so what if there was a way for us not to? Well, Dryel has come up with a really cool product that will do that in your home. So for under $20, you're going to get 14 loads. You're going to get a stain remover, and you're going to get a wrinkle release. Just a really great product so you don't have to go to the dry cleaning once a week. Okay, so the next product I've got, and this is for all your cashmere and your wool items. This is from our sister company, Comfy Clothiers. These are going to be around $10. We've got a plastic one and we've got a cedar one. These are combs to help get the pills off your cashmere and wool. And a really great product. The cedar one, the only difference is that it's a bug repellent because of that smell. All right, third product I've got, and this is something we all need, and it's just some mesh bags. So this is going to be good for your delicates, such as your bras or activewear or even your baby clothes. You can easily throw these in the wash machine and in the dryer, and they won't tangle or mess up those items that you've got. And this is actually comes in a 7-pack, and it's about $10. Okay, the next product is awesome. It's from Smart Sheep. These are wool dryer balls, and you can get up to 1,000 dries in these. They have no chemicals, and they come from Smart Sheep. There's a 6-pack of them, and it's going to be about $17. Really a great product to use instead of those dryer sheets that have a lot of chemicals in them. Okay, next product. It's going to be the fabric steamer. So you can easily steam your dresses or your blouses or your shirts for work instead of having to take them to the dry cleaner. It's from Conair. It's about $30. Quick and easy way to get the wrinkles out of your clothes. Next product, and it's also a really great product for activewear. You're going to get 90 loads out of this. It's from Rock and Green, and it's about $25. Great product for your sports bras, sports shirts, shorts, any of those items that you wear to the gym. Next product, and this is perfect for now for summertime, and it's going to be for all of your swimsuits and your kids' swimsuits. It's going to be under $9. It's from Summer Solutions, and it's going to help protect your bathing suit. So you'll be able to just put 2 little capsules in your wash machine, and your bathing suits will come out smelling fresh without that chlorine, dingy smell. Really awesome products to extend the life of your clothes. So these are the favorite from my article, 13 genius products to extend the life of your clothes. So definitely go check that out. There's more products on there, and just really great ways to help preserve your clothes. All right, if you like what you've seen today, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.